How to draw a mango, step by step. Hey, what's going on everyone? So for the first step, we're going to begin by drawing the stem along with the leaf attached to it. So this right here will be a small curved line going up and down, and connected to the right hand side of this curved line, we're going to draw the stem. Nice! That's a great start. Now on the top of the stem, we're going to draw the first and only leaf. The leaf is fairly simple, so we're going to begin by drawing the simple outline along with two lines on the inside for detail. Next, we will draw two lines on the inside of the leaf that will connect at the top point and they will stop at the bottom, which will be the stem. And if I ever go too fast, then feel free to pause the video so that you have a moment or two to catch up. Now that we're done drawing the stem along with the leaf, let's go ahead and draw the outline of the mango. We'll begin by drawing a curved line that will connect to the leaf right above the stem. Nice! Now last but not least, we're going to connect the bottom of the mango with that end point all the way over to the stem by using a second curved line. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. This is How to Draw a Mango. If you enjoyed today's video, then be sure to give it a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. And if you want to see more videos just like this, then be sure to subscribe because I upload on a regular basis. And don't forget that next I'll show you a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Great job today, and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.